Hi there, everybody. This is teacher Farah Al-Maymouni. Today's lesson is Unit 1, Lesson 7, Phonics, OW and O sounds. Pupils Book, page 18, Activity Book, page 12. This is for grade 4, of course. Let's start. Now, when OU come together, they make one sound. It's OW, OW, OW. Okay, let's put it to test. So we've got ow and ow. Let's add other letters to the sound. Out, 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 out. So this word is out. Let's see the second one. Hour, 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 hour. Let's see ow in the middle of the word. Sh, sh, ow, sh, ow, shall, shall. Doesn't make sense until we add a T at the end. So let's read it again. Shout, shout. All right, what about that one? Okay, the H is silent. So ow, ow, hour, hour. All right, now, young ladies, let's see. Out has the same letters as the three letters in shout. O-U-T, O-U-T. Out, shout, out, shout. It's the same ending sound. Out, shout. What about here? Hour, hour. O-U-R, O-U-R. It's the same sound. Hour, hour. What do we call that? We call it same rhyme. The same rhyme. So out has the same rhyme as shout. And hour has the same rhyme as hour. All right? Okay, let's see it one more time with different words. So let's see which word have the same rhyme. First, the sound ow, 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 ow. All right, let's see. Loud, 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 loud. Cloud, 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 cloud. Oh, look. Loud has the same rhyme as cloud. O-U-D, O-U-D. It's the same rhyme. Loud, cloud. The same rhyme. Let's see the other two words. About, 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 about. Without, 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 without. So they have the same rhyme as well. O-U-T, O-U-T. It's the same rhyme. About, without. About, without. Very good. So those loud has the same rhyme as cloud, and about has the same rhyme as without. Now, which of these words rhymes with out? So, O-U-T. Let's find a word that ends with O-U-T. Let's start. Loud. O-U-D. No, that's not it. Cloud. O-U-D. No, that's not it. Hour. O-U-R. No, that's not it. Shout. O-U-T. It's the same rhyme. It's the same three last letters. So shout rhymes with out. So which one of these words rhymes with out? It's shout. Okay, now let's go to another sound. OW. It sounds like O. O. It's like the letter O. 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 Now, look. They all have the same rhyme. O. 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 Let's make them words. Low. Low. Grow. Grow. Blow. Blow. Snow. Snow. Okay, as you can see, the OW sound, the O sound, always or usually comes at the end of the word, okay? So, low, grow, blow, snow. So all these words have the same rhyme. They all have O at the end. L-O, low, gr-o, grow, bl-o, blow, sn-o, snow. All right, so they all have the same rhyme at the end. They all have the O sound at the end. Now, which of these words rhymes with snow? So we want a word that ends with OW. O. Let's start here. Out. It's UT. No, it's not the same rhyme. Cloud. UD. No, it's not the same rhyme. Blow. OW. It's the same letters, the same sounds. O, O. Snow, blow. So blow is the answer. It has the same rhyme as snow. Now, this is tricky. Which of these words rhymes with slow? Look, they all have OW at the end. Crow, OW. Snow, OW. Grow, OW. Flow, OW. So which one of them has the same rhyme as slow? If they all have OW at the end, then look at the letter before OW. It's L. So L-O-W. Which words end with L-O-W? Grow, R-O-W. So no, it's not grow. Snow, N-O-W. So no, it's not snow. Grow, R-O-W. So no, it's not like slow. Flow. Flow has L-O-W. It's like slow. Slow, flow. Slow, flow. It's the same rhyme as slow. So, young ladies, let's look at the rhymes in these words. Shout. It ends with O-U-T. Out. Shout rhymes with out. Blow rhymes with low. Blow, low. They have the same rhyme. So shout rhymes with out. And blow rhymes with low. Okay, now open your activity book to page 12. Write the date 5/2/14/42. Now, read the words, circle the pictures. Cloud. They circled this already. This is a cloud. Shout. Where is it? Look, the boy is shouting. Shout. Snow. Look, the ground is filled with snow. So there it is. Now, complete the words with ow or o. Out. Number 2 is snow. So I use OW, snow. Number 3, it's cloud. OU. Number 4 is shout. OU. Number 5 is yellow. OW. Number 6 is about. OU. Number 7 is loud. OU. Number 8 is allowed. OU. Number 9 is blow. OW. Number 10 is below. OW. Number 11, it's low. OW. Number 12 is without. OU. Young ladies, you can see that it's OW when it's at the end of the word. And OU, it can be at the beginning or the middle, all right? Now, read number 18. Read aloud, match the rhyming words. Now, young ladies, let's see the rhyming. Number 1, it's out. O-U-T. It rhymes with shout. O-U-T. Let's see number 2. Blow. Blow. It's O-W. U-D. No. U-R. No. O-W. Snow. It's the same rhyme. So, blow rhymes with snow. Number 3, loud. O-U-D. Let's see. O-U-R. No. O-U-D. Yes, it's cloud. So, loud rhymes with cloud. Very good. The last one is for hour. O-U-R. It rhymes with hour. O-U-R at the end. So, there it goes. We're done right now. I hope you understood the lesson. This was Teacher Farah Al Maimouni. Thank you very much.